guys, good morning. If you're brand new to my channel, my name is Brittany Banter. I'm going to take you guys over to my computer and show you how Primelister works. If you're not currently using an automation tool, this is a great way to relist, delist, share your closet, share other people's closets. You can also cross list on this platform, which is really cool because currently, before I started using this, I would have to use two forms of software to get both of those qualities, the sharing, relisting, delisting, and then a separate platform for cross-listing. So this can be all in one, which is great. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys. Please make sure you use my link down below if you decide to use it. It gets you 2 weeks free, and I think it gets you 30% off your first payment of the month, but you do not have to pay the first 2 weeks. You can just test it out. It honestly doesn't ask you for a credit card, so you can just test out the 2 weeks and then decide you don't want to use it, and it will not automatically charge you, which is great because sometimes we sign up for subscriptions, decide we don't like them, and we forget to turn them off or cancel, and then it charges us. This will not do that. So let me take you guys to my computer. We're going to check out Primelister, and remember to use the link down below, and let's get into it. Okay, so this is my desktop, and when you sign up, it's going to walk you through the different steps. So when you log in, obviously you've already created your account, and then you're going to want to go in here and it will prompt you how to add the Chrome extension, which is what the software is, to your desktop. You just quickly click here, Chrome web, and then you're going to hit up here. It will say add to Chrome. Mine says remove because I already have it. There's some video content here that's helpful, but for the most part, after you download, it's gonna live up here in your toolbar. This is a different software, and you're just gonna click here and then open whatever platform you want to cross list from. So I already have mine pulled up. Here's my Poshmark account. It's currently relisting listings for me. It's working super fast and super efficiently. And then okay, so this was a little confusing when I first signed up because other software would live up here. You would click it and then it would load, and I'm like, where is it? So I watched a video for you guys. This software is gonna live on the side once you have your platform open that you wanna use, like Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, whatever. And then you're gonna open it up. So here's Primelister, we're in listing actions, and then we have a Poshmark assistant too. So right now I have it relisting for me, which is over here. But if I want to cross list, I can also do that. I can go back in here though and hit share. I'm gonna select my closet, all listings to my followers at a medium speed. I don't have any of these toggles on right now. And then all you do is hit share listings. And it's already doing another process. So you would just hit yes, cancel, and then hit yes, continue. And now it's gonna start sharing my closet for me. And then this is, you can turn on reverse mode, so it will share your closet backwards if you wanted to do that. Continuous mode is currently off. And then it is telling you that you wanna keep your desktop open, and it may stop working if you minimize the tab. So you do not need to worry about that though. You can go to a different tab and do something else. And then as you can see, if you go back, it's still working for me. Okay, now that I showed you guys how to share, we're gonna go over cross listing, and then we're also going to look at sending bulk offers and updating pricing and all of that. So currently, I would have to use two forms of software, one to share and do all of that, and then one to cross list. So let's check out cross listing and see if that subscription to Primelister is worth it. This seems like it cross lists a little bit faster. I did play around with it a little bit before I'm gonna show you guys. So let me turn the camera around and show you exactly how to cross list using Primelister. Okay, so we're back in our Primelister tab, and we're under listing actions, and we're gonna hit cross list. But before you do that, so just so you guys know, you have to select the items that you wanna cross list. So let's see if we can select, let's do 3 items. And the cool thing about this is that it cross-lists multiple tabs for you. With the other software, you'd have to pay extra for it to cross-list multiple tabs, or you would pay less and you'd have to go one by one. This is not an extra upcharge for doing that. So we're gonna hit cross-list and we're gonna select eBay. I already logged in. Make sure you log into your other platform before you hit cross-list so that it doesn't do all the tabs and then ask you to log in, because that will create a problem. And then we're gonna hit continue and hit yes, continue. And then up at the top, it's going to start cross-listing those, and it's opening multiple tabs, and then it's gonna prompt you to wait. So don't touch anything while it's doing this. It's going to keep going through for you. You just have to give it a minute, and then it will complete the task. So it's showing that it's done, but just give it another second so that it can get through. And then once it loads your photos and all the details, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what the listing looks like without me doing any work besides selecting from Poshmark and cross-listing to eBay. So in real time, it's taking it's been like maybe 30 seconds. And they're just now adding some of the details. So you could just like go grab a drink, and then here it is. Okay, so honestly, the fact that this tool can do all of these automations is already making me like it a lot. So then I would just go through and hit which things apply. And this is actually like a kind of like an ivory color, and then a ball gown, and that's it. I normally don't go through and add too much. The title, the description, the pictures are already in here. The price crosses over. And then I just normally go in here and check my shipping. So that would take like another 10 seconds. And I like to do flat rate, and I just do like a basic calculation. And then I do normally turn on like a 2%. And then I just hit list. Okay, and then once I X out of that tab, we open the next one and we do the same thing, take another 30 to 60 seconds, fill this all out, and then hit list. And then you just keep going. So once you X out of the one that you're working on, it will load the information and the pictures for the next one, which takes like, I don't know, 10 seconds. And then you just go back through and do the same thing. Okay, with my other software, I use the sharing tool. And then with the second software, I use the cross-listing, but I did want to go back and show you guys how to send offers. I think that's the only other automation that I find really important for a software to have. Obviously, you want your customers to buy, and if you want them to buy, normally sending offers is a really good deal. It's actually how I make most of my sales. So again, if you don't have an automation tool already that does those 3 core things for you, actually maybe a little bit more. So cross-listing is important, relisting, delisting, and then obviously sharing your closet and then sending offers. So let's look at sending offers and see what the software looks like when it does that. So we're back on Primelister, and we're gonna hit send bulk offers. All of our listings, we're gonna offer a 10% discount, and we are going to do the $5.95 shipping offer, and then send bulk offers. Yes, we want to send the offer, so we hit continue. And then our Primelister is going to start doing the automation right away. And then in real time, this is how fast the tool works. So within 10 seconds, we've already sent out 4 offers. If you guys do this manually, that would probably take you at least a minute per listing. And while I'm talking, it's been 44 seconds since we started talking about this tool, and it's already done 10 offers for us. So you could run this in the background while you do a chore. You could run this in the background while you're listing items, and you could completely automate your business through Primelister. Okay, so those are the 3 core functions of this tool. The fact that I can get this tool cheaper than the other 2 systems I have to use and not have to be in 2 different programs, trying to cross-list and trying to share and send offers, is amazing. I would give this product like a 10 out of 10. I don't think I could update it myself any better. And I would have to outsource all of this work and pay someone and train them and teach them how I want them to automate my business for me if I used a VA like overseas. So I'm gonna leave my link down below. Make sure you guys use that if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful and you wanna try out the software for 2 weeks free. And then I think it also gives you 30% off your first month if you end up sticking with a subscription. There are 2 different options. So there's one without cross-listing, and I'll put that here, which is a little bit cheaper, but I think the cross-listing is really gonna help a lot of us out. So this is the price with the cross-listing. Again, my link's down below. I hope you guys found this video helpful and that you could see the software working yourself without actually downloading it first. Again, it's just a simple Chrome extension, and then you can set up your payment if you wanna continue to use it. See you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, do all the things, and then the link will be down below. Bye.